Hey there, Wondershare just released Filmora 14 with some awesome new features for all of us. And one of them is AI Face Mosaic Feature. To learn more about this feature, keep watching. In this feature, AI detects and masks faces in your videos, provide a quick and efficient way to protect sensitive information. Benefits of Filmora AI Face Mosaic. Automatic face detection. Advanced AI algorithm automatically identify and track faces throughout your video, eliminating the need for tedious manual edits. Customizable blur effect. Gain full control over the blur with adjustable settings. Easily modify the strength, feather, opacity, and shape of the blur. Multiple face blurring. Effortlessly blur multiple faces together with integrate face detection. Now let's see how to use AI Face Mosaic in Filmora 14 in easy steps. Step 1. Launch Filmora and on the Start interface click on Toolbox. You will find the AI Face Mosaic here. Click on it, then select and import the footage to apply this effect. Step 2. AI will start detecting the faces in your footage and add a blur on the faces. Step 3. In the settings panel, you can see the detected faces. You can select or deselect the faces to remove the blur from that particular person's face. And with the help of the strength slider, you can adjust the blur strength. With the feather, you can give feather to the blur. And with the opacity, you can adjust the blur opacity. Step 4. In effects, you will get lots of options for different types of blur or emoji. Drag and drop the blur effect of your choice on your footage and it will automatically apply the effect on the selected faces. That easy to use AI face blur in Filmora 14. It tracks the moving face so perfectly. Download the Filmora 14 from the link in the description and give a try to this feature. See you in the next video with another Filmora 14 tutorial.